So Malia came, our daughter Malia, and look what she's taking.
Just a couple of things.
Malia. Okay, why are you taking some quilts?
So our friends from California and New York are coming out to visit us, and we're going to our brother's mountain house. And I was talking to my sister-in-laws about the mountain house, and they were saying, we need bedding. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll just bring a couple quilts.
So they have sheets and they have pillows.
They have sheets and pillows and everything, but we need like quilts.
And you're going to take some duvets.
Yep.
Okay, so now you've chosen these quilts. Why?
This one, well, you chose these ones.
I chose them.
But this one is especially special because in the house that we grew up in, we had a library. And in the library, there was 2 wingback chairs. There was one green one, and there was a red one, I think.
Yes.
But this green one sat on the back of the wingback chair, and I love to read. So I would sit with this blanket, with my kitty Midnight.
With your cat.
My
Midnight,
cat.
yeah.
Read books. So anyways, this one just has like special memories for me. So this one will be staying with me for forever.
No,
I'll bring these home.
No,
I'll bring these 1, 2, 3, 4 quilts.
So
home
which other ones are you going to take?
So I'm taking this one.
You're taking that
forever.
one? No, you're not.
I'm going to take this one.
How many quilts have I made
nice
you?
and big. 3. You've made me 3.
You
I
took.
got a.
You,
No,
Ma-
you have made me 3 quilts. You made me when I was 14 a flip-flop quilt.
Which is where?
I don't know where that is.
Oh no. Maybe I have it.
think you have it.
Oh, maybe
I
we
think you
have it.
do.
Maybe I have it
Because
somewhere.
I remember I took Maxwell to the beach and he used that quilt.
Okay.
That's the last time I remember seeing it.
Okay.
Maybe I have it somewhere, but I don't because I use all my quilts.
Okay.
You gave me a
Paris,
quilt
a Paris
when
quilt.
we did our Europe trip, and then you made us our road trip quilt,
Right.
which like lives in my car and I
Right.
use it every single day.
And
And then
you took
No, you gave me.
I did actually.
You gave me
the fruitage of the spirits quilt. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
which I love.
And you.
Although that one is, I wash it, and that one is like getting like the leaf quilt.
It's
And
getting
I'm
like
also gonna take
you're
the
not
leaf
taking the
quilt.
leaf quilt.
I'm taking the leaf quilt.
Oh,
so-
you got to bring the leaf quilt back.
in about 4 months.
No,
Niles
I just
had it.
no. Niles had it all last winter.
Niles had it for way too long. So
I know.
Now I get it for a long time.
Okay, so then you're taking because I'm recording this of what videos, what quilts. You like this one?
I like this one.
I did a tutorial on that one.
That one's very pretty. I like this one too. I just really like the blue and the red. I
Yeah.
just think that's a really
That's what I
combo.
thought.
But anyway,
Here's
hi
Jackson.
Jackson.
And then you're
Can you
taking
help me carry these quilts?
taking this one.
Pink and blue and pink and
So
blue.
you have 1, 2. I'm counting.
3, 4,
3,
5.
4,
I
5.
don't think I need 5. I need 4. Technically, I need 3 and a leaf quilt.
I was.
So I'll take these 3.
You're taking my leaf quilt.
I need the biggest ones though. So
They are that one's the biggest
this
one.
too. Maybe I can have this one. Maybe I'll just. She's not gonna remember.
I have this on video.
By the way, guys, it's not like she's. You know.
All right.
What is the word I'm looking for?
Obsessive.
No, it's not like you're.
Hoarder.
No.
Hoarder. Jackson's true love. Jackson, you're a rotten kid. That's so mean.
No, it's not like you're
Like a hoarder.
begging for
Rotten
quilts. You know what I mean? It's not
grandson.
like you've never had quilts. Or
I know.
Don't have anything.
I know.
You've got a couple. All right.
Do you want to take this pillow?
I'll take the pillow.
Do you want pink and blue?
No, I'm not going to take that one, but because we're going to take the leaf quilt.
You're going to take the leaf quilt.
Leaf quilt is mine.
No, the leaf quilt is not yours.
A couple weeks. We'll return it.
Okay.
I saw it.
Malia, you're bringing it back.
Yes.
Yes. Please don't leave it up in the mountain
Why is
house.
it just the best? Why is this quilt the best? What is it?
I don't know. I made that. Maybe it was the quality of fabric.
No, I think it's the first quilt you ever made that like, you know what I mean? It was one of your first quilts.
It was one of my, it was like 15, 16
Do you know the
years
other one
ago.
that I really love?
Which one?
That nobody else is obsessed with? The
Oh,
Dresden plate.
the Dresden plate.
So,
yeah, no, you're
that
not.
better be in the will for me.
Yeah, that.
so you're not dying. I mean, I'll take that one. I know where it is.
I know you're not taking that one. That is one of my favorite ones.
Yeah, I do love
Okay, so yeah, please look after my leaf quilt.
I'm gonna look after it.
Yeah, and I want to see it back.
In 3 months.
And now, Malia.
In a little bit.
In a little
we
bit.
gotta keep my friends warm, you know?
They're from California. They're going to be cold, but now they're going to be.
Oh, also funny thing.
They're like, oh, we're so excited to see the fall leaves, and I'm like, they're all gone.
They're all-
Like, you should have came 2 weeks ago.
No, we have some out here.
We were driving today, and I was like,
Yeah, they're pretty much, yeah.
all the leaves are gone. And the sky
No,
is-
hold on. Let me just see.
Not too bad. But like last week was so beautiful.
Yeah, but look, our leaves are there.
Yeah,
The
but
trees
last
there.
week was
Yeah, no,
so
it was much more
bright,
pretty.
You know?
Yeah, but these are good.
Not enough.
All right, lovely darling.
All right, love you, Mama.
Love you. Bye. You're welcome. Bye.